3 days left, and your entire syllabus is still pending. If you study the usual way, you will waste time, and still forget everything in the exam. Here is the truth, more time will not save you, the right strategy will. Now pay attention, because what you do in the next 3 days will directly affect your result. And one more thing, do not just watch this video, follow it properly step by step, otherwise it will not work. Day 1 is mapping and filtering. Do not start studying immediately. First, open your syllabus and list all topics. Now divide them into 3 categories: high importance, which includes repeated questions and exam favorites, medium importance, and low importance. Be honest while doing this, do not assume everything is important. Start with high and medium only. This is not skipping, this is how smart students decide what actually matters. Now study using active recall. Read a topic once, close the book, and explain it in your own words. If you get stuck, check again, then repeat. This forces your brain to retrieve information instead of just recognizing it. Study in 50-minute focus sessions, take a 10-minute break, and repeat. During breaks, do not scroll your phone, just relax your mind. No random studying, one subject at a time, one clear plan. Day 2 is deep practice. Now you know the basics. Today, focus on solving questions. Start with past papers first because they show real exam patterns. Then move to practice questions from your book or notes. Focus on weak areas more than strong ones. Every mistake shows you exactly what can come in your exam, so fix it immediately instead of ignoring it. Now revise using short notes, only key points, formulas, definitions, and steps. Keep everything simple and quick to revise. Also test yourself after each topic instead of only reading it. At night, do a quick revision of everything you studied during the day. No new topics today, only strengthening what you already learned. This is where real confidence starts building. Day 3 is final revision. Now everything should feel familiar, not new. Start with your short notes. Revise high importance topics first, then medium ones. Stay calm and do not rush, this is not the time to panic. Now use the blurting technique. Take a blank page and write everything you remember about a topic without looking at your notes. Then compare it with your notes. This instantly shows your weak points and strengthens memory. Next, solve one full mock test. Time yourself strictly and sit like a real exam. No pauses, no distractions, no breaks. After that, review your mistakes calmly. Do not panic, just correct them and move on. Final rules: sleep properly. A tired brain forgets more, thinks slower, and makes more mistakes. And remove distractions completely. 3 days means full focus, no scrolling, no random calls, no switching between tasks, no thinking what to study next. Just you, your plan, and execution. Some students will still fail with 3 days, and some will succeed. The difference is not intelligence, the difference is discipline and execution.